Hello everyone, welcome to Mobiles Techland. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy tutorial how to save your photo or an artwork for the web. So this is our project. Usually to save this photo we go to File, then Export, and most of the time we click Export as PNG. Other times we click Export as and then choose JPEG and we max the quality. But this is not the right way to save it for the web. So to do the right way, we'll go to File, Export, and then there is this option called Save for Web Legacy. A window will pop up. You can do the same thing by your keyboard using Alt, Shift, Ctrl and S. We will choose JPEG, then click Maximum, and we will choose Progressive and leave the rest as it is, and we'll click Done. And now if I do any changes, I can do that. And then I'll click File, Export, Save for Web Legacy, and my preferences are all saved, so I'll just simply click Save and I'll save the photo. So it was a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.